Okay, so this is how to edit and add two Termbases in OmegaT. So for this example, I've already added my source files to this project. And so when you have your project open in OmegaT, you can access the glossary in this little glossary window by going to this little settings cogwheel. And so to see your whole glossary, you can click on Open Writable Glossary File, and it will open up this txt file that has each of your terms. So the format that it stores them in is each term has a line, has your source language term, your target language term, and then any metadata that you added when you made that term. And so it's really easy to edit. You can literally just edit it right in this file, and then just save it if you've changed it. But you can edit any of the metadata. If you've found an alternate translation that you want to include as an option for yourself in the future, just stick that in there. You can, it's very easy to change. See, it even gave me a little save. Alright. To add to this term base, just select a term, highlight the term, go back to that little cogwheel and click Add Glossary Entry. It saved the highlighted text as your source term. Just type in your target term. You can add any metadata that you want to, and then you would just click OK, and it will add it to this txt file where your glossary is. And so these term bases can be really helpful as a translator because it'll save you time. If these same terms appear later on in your text, you won't have to look them up again. You'll already have them as reference, and they'll pop up as you go through the text. It also helps, so it helps with saving time. You don't have to go back and look it up. It also helps with consistency, so you don't translate the same term a lot of different ways. So Termbases are just really useful tools, and they're very easy to create and manage in OmegaT.